Here's one for the Mustang fans, just in it, unique, especially in classics. And this one is a beauty, folks. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. This car has had a full restoration done to it, approximately 10,000 miles on it since. Never seen rain since. Redone in the original colors. Exterior, Wimbledon white, paint code M. Interior, trim code 22, so it's blue vinyl with blue trim. 289 car, C code. Let's take a look at the front chrome grille. And yes, this one shows in person as well as it does in the pictures and the videos. Power steering car, well maintained. There is a folder of some miscellaneous receipts. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside, engine bay, interior, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us. 507-386-1726. Mustang wheel covers, Uniroyal Tiger Paw radials. Take a look at how straight this car is down the passenger side. How nice things spit between the front fender and the door. And coming to the rear quarters in the door. Just extremely straight car. Interior shows as well as the exterior. Seat belts, buckets up front, of course, and just very stock looking. This is a car I would get in and not be afraid to drive it anywhere. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Nice parade boot or convertible top cover. Top is white vinyl, and we are going to put that up at the end of this video, show you the condition of that. We'll also take this car for a drive, take it down the road, show you how nice it drives out. Take a look at the rear chrome, bright work around the taillights, bumperettes on the rear. Again, this one looks as good in person as it does in this video, and of course the pictures. If you like these Gen 1 Mustangs, maybe you like Mustangs just in general, Corvettes, Challengers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. All these vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are uploaded, whether it be online, off our website, or our showroom floor. If you can see us in person, of course, we love that. Again, coming around to this driver's side, look at how nice the gap is, nice and even. The doors to fender, rear quarters. And then once again, how straight that driver's side is. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. If you're thinking about a 65 Mustang convertible, don't wait on this one. I don't think this one's going to be around here long. And again, vinyl in great shape. It's been in the same family since the 80s, and it is now available to purchase. Wish I had a little extra room in my own garage. Vinyl seats, nice shape. No rips, tears, holes. I have had the radio working, I've had the blower fan working, I've had the wipers working, so everything good to go there. As far as some recent service work, this does have new wheel cylinders, new muffler, newer brakes, and then I did mention there is a miscellaneous receipts in a folder that will go along with this also. Motor and transmission were built at the time of restoration, and again, approximately 10,000 miles or less on this car since it was done, and it has never seen rain since then. Maybe a little water to wash off the dust, huh? Fuel gauge coming up and working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temperature gauge to be up. I mentioned I did have the wipers working, blower fan working. Let's check out this AM radio.
Double your pleasure, double your fun.
That's the statement from the great men.
Blackjack gum, Sully.
Man, this will be a fun car. For your local roll-ins, local shows, or just out for that Sunday drive. Look how nicely that door closed, barely swung it. Sounds as you'd expect, sounds like a stock 65 Ford Mustang. Again, 289 underneath the hood, paired up with the C4 automatic transmission, power steering, and let's go check out this engine bay. Remember, we're taking it for a drive at the very end of the video. First, we'll check out this engine bay and the convertible top, though. And why, of course, the underside of the hood is as clean as the rest of the car. There it is. Looking good with the chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover. Again, you can see power steering here. Looks like a newer master cylinder. So nicely maintained, the sides. And listen and look at how smooth that thing runs. You'll be able to check out the door tag, the VIN, if you want to do any decoding, all of that will be in the still pictures. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out those still pictures. All right. I'm going to set up the camera, show you this top going up and down. We'll check out the condition of it, and we'll wrap up this walk around video. And here we go with the convertible top up. As you can see, functions as it should. It is a newer top, probably has not been up a whole lot, so I mean, it is tight. You can see getting it latched in the front, it takes a little bit, but when you're all said and done, it gives you a nice tight fit above the windshield, and it will stretch over time if you leave it up and latched. Side glass up, see how that fits. This top is, I mean, pretty much like in new condition. I believe there was a receipt for it, in with the miscellaneous receipts in that folder. Back rear window, nice and clear. Coming around to the passenger side, again, just free of rips, tears, holes, really anywhere at all. Side glass. Like I said, this car will not disappoint, no doubt about that. I'll show you that top function going back down. And then remember, we're going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. Absolutely beautiful restoration. 10,000 miles or less on it since that was done. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through those still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Ford Mustang convertible in a white with blue interior. Very good colors. This Mustang is in very nice condition. Smooth running. It is an automatic right here on the floor. Our factory radio is working.
For Mohammed?
Appears to be the factory radio. Blower motor is working as well. Turn signal light is also flashing. Let's see how she does on the highway. Very good acceleration from this Mustang. Runs a little stronger than a lot of other Mustangs. This one's in very good condition. Our steering wheel is clocked a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Speedometer working, fuel gauge showing half full. Temperature is at a quarter of the way up the gauge. The blower motor works, the wipers work on this car. Interior in very good condition. The factory looking vinyl bucket seats are very comfortable. We do have the convertible top down today. It is a brisk day in Minnesota, but it feels good. Brakes are working well. This car, a nice soft rumble to it. When you get on it, you can hear it. Sounds just right. Very nice running and good condition 1965 Ford Mustang. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.